Hi, today we're going to discuss about androgenetic alopecia, that is baldness in males. So it's a very disturbing condition because baldness is bound to happen. It is hereditary and it's there in your genes. You cannot stop it just like that. So let us find out why is it that you got androgenetic alopecia. So it usually starts manifesting after puberty, like around 20, after 20 years you can get it any. What happens is that each terminal hair, those thick, coarse, long hairs, they undergo miniaturization, that is the length decreases, the width decreases, and ultimately when the process is complete, the bald areas will show the tiny villous hairs that are normally present on your.
In most cases, hair loss is a result of miniaturized hair follicles and a shortened hair growth cycle. As follicles miniaturize, they produce thinner, shorter, and lighter hair, which cannot adequately replace hairs that are shed naturally. As miniaturization progresses, it can lead to a halt in hair growth, resulting in a dead follicle with no hair, and consequently,
there is progressive shortening of the growing phase of the hair follicle. Actually, hair has a cycle. One is the growing phase, the other is the stationary phase, and then you have the falling off phase as the exogen phase. So what happens is generally anagen, the growing phase is a particular duration, and the telogen, the stationary phase is a particular duration. But what happens in androgenic alopecia is that the time of growth of hair decreases. So that is why the growth is reduced. Another thing that occurs is that there is an increased conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone. That also stimulates the hair to go into the miniaturizing. So this is the medical basis of why you get a baldness, and baldness is hereditary once again. But definitely there are ways in which you can act on those different levels what I've told you, and you can reverse your baldness or you can maintain it and not allow it to regress. So in my next video, I'll be talking about what are the different treatment modalities you have for treating your baldness. Thank you.